Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. This is not only for color variants. If you have any other variant, then still you can separate them out as an individual product on collection pages. This video is specific for Symmetry theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a playlist of all the videos with different themes, so you can go through all of them, and if you still don't find, then you can directly contact me. I will create a new video for you, or maybe I will help you according to your theme. So here on my screen you can see that I have multiple products here, but only single color is displaying. So for say example, I am going through this product, and you can see that we have two colors, but only single color is displaying on collection page. So how we can make it happen that all the colors should be displayed on this collection page? So I will show you step by step, so you just need to follow the steps. So here we have the dashboard of the store. You can see that I have installed Symmetry theme version 7.4.0. If you have any other version, then still you will able to implement the same feature and it will definitely work. So you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme first, so that you should have an original backup of your theme. And once you are done with the backup, then you should again click on these three dots and click on edit code. Here we have some folders and files. So I have already written a documentation, so you should have to follow the steps. I have given the link below in the description, so you should download the code. So you will be getting all these files, and firstly you should open document.txt. All the steps are clearly written here, so you should follow along with this video so that you should not miss any of the step. So the first step is that you need to create a new snippet color-variant. So let me copy this, and here you need to go back here, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and then paste here color-variant, then click on done. So you will actually create an empty file using this. Again, you need to create another new snippet, which is color-product-block, and go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, click on done, and second empty file is created now. Now the third step is go to sections, open main-collection. So let me copy this and search it inside of this search box, and under sections we have main-collection.liquid, and inside of this main-collection.liquid you need to search product-block. So let me copy, and using Control F or maybe Command F, you should search it and it will definitely highlight like this. So you need to remove this and replace it with color-variant. So let me copy color-variant and go back here. You need to firstly delete this and then paste that color-variant. All right. And then you can actually save the changes. Now the final step is create a new snippet color-price. Let me copy this, go back here, click on snippets, please click on snippets, and then click on add a new snippet, and then paste that color-price here and click on done. So this way actually you have created all these empty files, and now we are going to paste the attached code. So go back here, open color-variant.txt. You can see color-variant.txt, copy this code, go back here, find it, which is color-variant.liquid, and paste that code here, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can actually close this file. Again, go back here, open color-product-block.txt. So you should copy this code from here and go back and open color-product-block.liquid and paste that name, paste that complete code here, and then save the changes and close this file also. Again, go back, and here we have the last file, which is color-price. So you should open this file also, copy the code, and then go back, and here you can see that we have color-price.liquid. So you should paste that code here and then click on save. Once you are done with all these, then you can actually close this file, and you should also close this main-collection.liquid, and that's it. Now you can actually preview the store, or maybe wait a minute, I'm going to refresh this page which is already there. So here we go. Now you can see that we have all the images, all the colors displaying. Earlier we only had single product color, but now we have multiple colors displaying on this collection page, and swatches are also working. So everything is perfectly fine. So for example, I am here, and you can see that swatches are working. Can you see? So this is looking more beautiful than before. So you can apply this feature into your store. If you are facing any of the issues, so you can directly message me. I will definitely help you out in that. And a few more features I have created recently. Let me show you. So actually I created some sliders. Maybe one of them you may like, or maybe all of them you maybe try to implement in your store. So all are free actually. So here you can see I have added a custom pricing table also. We have video slider. So these sliders are auto playing actually. And here we have product slider, we have testimonials slider, we have images slider, and then we have collection slider. So maybe if you are interested to implement these things in your store, so I have already given the complete tutorial link in the video description, so you can actually click on that and you can implement it into your store. So this way actually you can make your store more attractive. So if you have any problem or something, you can directly message me. If you have a new store to create, or maybe you have a custom section to create, you can directly message me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So I will help you out in solving all these things. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video, and you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You can also join WhatsApp group, and if you want, you can also join YouTube perks, where I am providing free consultation, and there are some premium things which I am circulating there. So you can, if you want, you can join that also. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.